In today's video, how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Open WhatsApp on your device. Open the chat where the voice message was sent. Tap play on the voice message. If you cannot hear anything, try the following steps. Turn up the volume, increase your phone's media volume, and make sure the device is not on silent or vibrate. Disconnect Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth to prevent the audio from being routed to a connected speaker, earphones or headset. Check the proximity sensor. Remove any fixed screen protector or phone case that might interfere with the proximity sensor and cause the audio to play through the earpiece. Clear WhatsApp cache. Close WhatsApp then. Long press the WhatsApp app icon and tap App Info. Go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage or Data, as this may remove app data. Restart your phone, restart your device and wait for it to turn back on. Update WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if an update is available. Play the voice message again. Go back to the WhatsApp chat and tap play to check if the sound is working. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.